A-double-P-L-E apple. Apple means save. B-A-double-L. Ball. Ball means गेंद. C-A-T. Cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D-O-G. Dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish means मछली. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H-E-N. Hen. Hen means मुर्गी. I-N-K-P-O-T. इनको पाठ means दवाद. J-U-G. Jug. Jug means jug. K-I-T. E. Kite. Kite means पतंग. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion means शेर. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango means आम. N-E-S-T. Nest. Nest means घोंसला. O-W-L. Owl. Owl means उल्लू. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q-U-E-E-N. Quail. Quail means रानी. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S-H-I-P. Ship. Ship means जहाज. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger means चीता. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V-A-N. Van. Van means मोटर गाड़ी. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch means घड़ी. X-M-A-S-T-R-E-E. X-Max. X-Max means Christmas tree. Y-A-K. Yak. Yak means पानी का बैल. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebra means चिट्ठी लाल घोड़ा. डबल ए डबल पी एल ई एप्पल सेब